Hi, this is Tiffany with Tiffany's Nail Babes, and I am here today to show you how to get this absolutely stunning manicure using Color Street and a little bit of nail foil. So first off, all you're going to do is you're going to apply your Color Street as normal. I use the two sets for this particular one are from our recent Toast from the Coast collection called Roads to Paradise and Kane's It. This is, I think, one of my new favorite sets. It's absolutely gorgeous on. So this is what it looks like if you just apply it straight on, right? So if you can see the difference, I have added the gold, and it really does take the manicure up a whole notch or two. I'm absolutely loving it. So the only other things that you're going to need is you're going to need some nail foil and some nail glue, or foil glue. So I bought this little set from Amazon. If you just search nail foil and glue, a whole bunch of different options come up. They're in many different colors, so you really have like total creativity here. You can go any which way you want. The other thing that you're going to need is you're going to need a top coat. My personal preference is clear as day. I love the way that it really makes my nails last forever, but like no chips, no nothing. It is an amazing top coat. If you have not heard of it, it's Color Street makes it, and it is 3 layers, base coat, color coat, top coat, all in clear. So it's like doubling your polish just by putting on a layer, and it's absolutely amazing. It is hands down my favorite top coat. So first thing that you are going to do is you're going to take a nail prep pad and you are going to clean your nails. So if you have just applied them, that's fine. You are okay to go ahead and do this. I would maybe wait at least 30 minutes before doing the nail foil, just so you don't pull up the nail, the actual Color Street when you apply. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to move you guys down. You are going to take your nail glue, and as I'm doing this with my left hand, I'm right hand dominant, so you'll see how actually easy it is. And what you're going to do is you are just going to place it where you want it, okay? So you want to kind of be a little delicate with this. I'm kind of just following the lines. Now I did also bring, this is just a little like eyeliner makeup brush. Sometimes it's a little easier to apply where you want it. Okay, so you'll put your nail glue on. You're gonna go ahead and do that for all of your nails. So I'm just kind of placing it on it.
Mommy, how did you do that? How did you put nail glue on?
And it's really just
I just did.
all your creativity.
Here. That's how I did it.
I like to kind of following the little lines that are made out. This one kind of splits again. Try to follow the split. It's a lot harder with my left hand than it is my right, but it's still fairly easy. I think I maybe want some on the tip on one. I did some tips on the other, so you could do some tips on one. I think I'm gonna go a little over on to here. There you go. And then on the thumb right here, if you hadn't seen, I kind of did this, like made up a little triangle in here. And to do that, I just kind of, colored it in. And I didn't put it like all the way on. I left a little space. I think I did some tips on this one too. So I do want them to kind of match. They don't have to be exactly. But once you've got your nail glue on, you're gonna wait for a little bit, and the nail glue has to get sticky, right? So I am gonna get my foil ready, which I already cut a piece. And guys, this is really all you need. It's enough to do 2 nails, or like your whole hand. I used this on the other hand. You can kind of see it was actually a leftover piece from the last time I used it. So I've still got like some on here I could use, but it's sticky from the glue. So I'm gonna start over with another one. And you do, like I said, you do have to give it a couple minutes just to kind of get tacky. And then once I'm done putting the nail foil on, I'm going to go ahead and put my Clearestay on. So if you have not seen a Colorstreak application, you can check that out. I'm going to show you on a couple nails how I do that. And go ahead and check. Pinky may be done. So, okay, so really all we're doing is placing it on and pulling it off, okay? So it's only gonna go where you put the glue. So as long as you're putting the glue where you wanted it, you can just kind of place and there we go. It looks good. And then once it looks good, stop. You know, you don't have to, even if there's more glue, you don't have to keep going. But you do have to put a top coat on, okay? You're not gonna get away without a top coat for this. See, I've got some on my nail because I had some glue on my nail. That's fine. It'll come off. And it looks really good. I like it. So I'm thinking that this one's probably not ready yet since I can still see some of the glues kind of still pooling. So I'm gonna get that just another second. Blow on it a little bit. But your nails are gonna be sticky. Okay, so after putting this on, so you definitely have to do a top coat. So there we go.
Keaton.
And I am just pressing. Wanted it. There we go. That looks great. Go ahead and try and see if this is ready. And I didn't want like down here. I wanted it to be kind of, you know, like not all in one spot. That's why I didn't pile on the glue. So that gives it that kind of looks like a mountain almost. If you look at it that way. Not sure if this. Yeah, it is. Okay, good. So like I said, I've got some on my skin, but I can get that off later with a little polish remover. So there you go. That's the actual nail foil portion of adding that on. And then you are going to want to go ahead and put your Clearestay on right away because, like I said, your nails are sticky. So these are just some leftovers. And guys, so Colorstreak is 100% real nail polish. If you leave it out, it will dry out. I have found, I can actually do this. I have found that if you take the Colorstreak and you do it, you put it right away when you're done with it back in the plastic bag. You can reseal it with a heat sealer if you push the air out, and then they're good for the next time. So as far as Colorstreak goes, this is our clear overlay called Clearestay. So I pull off the little top protective layer, and then I am going to pull off from the silver tab, and then you can see the strip. So there's 3 coats of clear polish on here. Which is really great for extending. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down on top
Mommy,
of my nail.
how did you did that?
So I had not.
I
just
just
done
did
the other
it.
side, so I had not.
Well, how did you put the
on? Because I use them
on top of the
one
bowl?
nail for 2 nails.
I just
And if you
did.
have any extra, you can use your thumb to kind of just peel it away. And what you want to make sure that you're doing right here is, since I did put some gold on the tip, I want to make sure I'm not using that part of my thumb. Okay?
Mommy,
And then once you get to here, you still have all this left over. If you anchor it with your finger, you can pull down like this and then break the polish off, and then do the same thing on the other
Mommy.
side.
What?
Look,
And you
Korean
haven't
goes
messed up
this
this side
way,
because
not
you
No.
can
this
get it
way,
onto your
'cause
finger.
then it will
So I can now turn around
this way.
and use this
And Mommy, then
on
you
the
have
other
to
nail.
put flush on it to burn it.
Okay, so again,
Mommy,
I'm
here,
just laying it
You
down
go
like
to
that,
put this
and then
wing
I'm
in.
laying it all the way down, pushing it from the center, pushing it from the sides, making sure it's nice and smooth. And
Mommy,
then
are you
when you
ready
get to the
to
side and
see
you don't
what
need that extra, you can actually just fold it in.
Yeah.
me and my unicorn?
But that's
So she's still practicing, but
And just
always
so just like that, I have some really pretty nail art that was super easy, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I do want to wait a full 30 minutes to an hour before I get any lotion or water on my nails. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. But it's basically the exact same thing that I just did with that one strip of Clear as Day. So if you guys want to hang out and watch the same thing over and over again. So there you are. There's your quick little tutorial on how to add nail foil to your nails, and it's absolutely amazing, gorgeous. I love it. It's so fun to do and to kind of really make the mani completely your own. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to learn more about nail health, nail care, easy mani tips, easy nail art tips, please like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Tiffany's Nail Babes. Bye!